Hi, this is Sharon Lim from sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and we're going to be making this lovely flip-flop card. It goes like this. Isn't that great? Let's get started. We're going to have to start with a piece of DSP 4 3/4 by 3, a piece of cardstock 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. Using the stitched squares, you're going to need the largest and the second largest, which is 2 5/8 and 2 1/8 square. Then a piece of cardstock that's 2 by 6 that's scored at 2 and 2 1/4. So starting with the DSP, you're going to use the word punch, and you're going to punch it in the middle. Then you're going to move the punch up a little bit and then a little bit to the bottom, just to make the slot a little wider. Then, with a piece of cardstock that's scored, you're going to use the scallop topper and get that punched out. Then you're going to fold it on the furthest line over. I already put some tear and tape on here. I'm going to take that off and use the largest square and line it up against the side and center it. Then fold it over on that second score line, and you're going to take off another piece of the tear and tape and put the second square on there. Then take the DSP and slide the topper in here, close it, and it should be able to sit like this. Then I'm going to take some tear and tape and put it along the edge, and this is going to hold it down onto the DSP so it actually flips. You want to make sure it's centered. There. Then you're going to take a piece of ribbon, about 6 inches, stick it through the hole, and just double knot it. And that's just going to give the person something to hang on to and pull. There you go. On the other side, I've already put tear and tape around the edges. So you're going to take that off, get that ready, and then you're going to place it on the card. Try to center it as much as you can, and try not to have the tags stick out too much, just a little bit, enough for them to pull. I already have the sentiments already done. So the middle one goes here. And the large one goes there. Then you're going to mount this on a regular card like that, and that's your card. I used the sentiments from the Royal Peacock one, but I also made a couple more with other stamp sets. So this one's for the Tasteful Treasure textures, and this one is from Friend Like You. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll do more videos. Thanks for joining me.